Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Food Tech 360 and you're watching Food Tech Guides. We have a good update on FSSAI FASTag certificate validity. FSSAI has officially released the notification on 21st of July 2022 regarding the removal of Food Safety Supervisor certificate validity. So before this notification, the validity of the certificate was just 2 years. After that, they have to undergo the training again to renew the certificate. But now they have removed the validity of FASTag certificate and made to a lifetime validity. But the thing is that the food handler having FSS certificate will have to undergo refresher training in case of there is any change in Schedule 4 of Food Safety and Standards, Licensing and Registration of Food Business Regulation 2011. Link to download this notification has given in the description. We have already made a detailed video on FASTag training program on Advanced Manufacturing Level 2, that is Food Safety Supervisor training program. If you haven't seen that yet, we have linked them down in the description. As the validity became lifetime, I recommend even the students to attend this training program. If you want to attend this FASTag training program on Advanced Manufacturing Level 2, we have given the registration link in the description and comment section. All the successful trained candidates will be certified as Food Safety Supervisor FSS. Don't worry, even if you miss the current schedule for the training, we will be keep on updating the upcoming training schedules in this video description and comment section, so you can enroll anytime you wish. For further queries regarding the FASTag training program, kindly contact us through WhatsApp. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Food Tech 360. Thank you.